Good morning, everybody. I'm just sitting around right now having some coffee, relaxing for a little bit. It's been raining on and off quite a bit so far. I'm going to be heading out trying to do a little bit of fishing if I possibly can. It all depends on if I get a good enough window on when it's not going to be raining out. I'm not sure what time that'll be, but I'm going to be trying to get out and do a little bit of fishing and see if I might possibly get something. It's hard to say, you never know. Well, everybody, I'm down here at the river, starting to get some rain and snow mix. Not getting nothing yet, but it don't look like it's gonna stick around very long. It looks like it's just gonna blow over. Alright, everybody, haven't caught nothing. I've been trying up and down this whole entire side of the train tracks here. We're on the opposite side of the train track. We're on the river side from where we was at yesterday. I've been using worm. I got one pole set up where I got a worm down on the bottom. That's not getting nothing. I've been walking up and down this riverside floating a worm on a bobber, and still nothing's hitting. So it's just going to be another one of them days where we're not going to get nothing. And I'm going to be heading back home here in a couple of minutes. I've already been stuck out here in the rain and the hail once already and stayed out here. And it's a little chilly out, so I'm going to get heading out here in a couple minutes, get warmed up, drink some hot coffee. Looks like going home empty-handed again today. Well, everybody, it's obvious I'm back from fishing. I just got done doing the dishes, made the bed, took out the trash, and I started dinner, and we're having barbecued chicken and baked potatoes, homemade chicken gravy, broccoli, and carrots, and a rice side dish. And right now Tennille's on her way home from work, and I'm just sitting down watching a movie right now. It's called The World Made Straight, and I'm not exactly sure how long it'll be before Tennille gets home, but I'm figuring it won't be too much longer. But I figured she'd be happy to come home and see the dishes done up and having the bed made and all that happy stuff.
They're really getting big now. Every day I look at them, they're bigger. See? See? Really big. So we're seriously looking for a dog now, and we've been looking at this dog at the Atlanta Humane Society. His name is Benny, and he's a pointer, 2 years old. So Thursday we're going to go check him out. I have the day off. And see if he's friendly and if he would get along with the cat, things like that. And if all works well, this could be the new member of the TKDW, so we'll see. Hopefully, we're kind of getting our hopes up, but we'll see what happens. There's Tiger. Again. So what do you think about maybe having a dog here?
I don't know how else you'll like it.
Well, she was living with dogs at Amy's, though.
Yeah.
Meow. What are you looking at?
Just trying to say, get that camera out of my face.
Aw. Yeah. So tomorrow is our 100th vlog, and I think that's pretty exciting. We've come a long way. And the thing is that when I first started these, while I was still working at McDonald's in Alpena, when my coworkers found out about it, some of them said my vlogs are pointless. But they're just assholes who don't understand. I know that all you people understand, and I appreciate you for it, and I'm thankful.
Good night, everybody. Enjoy your evening. I'm watching the X-Files. About ready to go to bed because Tino's not done with her editing.
Well, I'm almost done.
No, you're not. Yeah, you'll be done in the year...
This is the last clip
never,
left.
never.
This is the last clip left. This one right here that we're making right now.
No.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you'll be done vlogging the day that you get buried ass up to where everybody can park their bike.
Well, yeah, that's right. I don't plan on quitting.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Good for you.
So, yeah, he started it a little prematurely, but I guess we'll go ahead and end the video. And we hope that you enjoyed it, and that you subscribe, like, comment, share, and that you're having a good day. And I guess I won't turn it back to him because he already said good night. So, bye.